The Bayliner. And here we have a Bayliner. Let's check these Bayliners out. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 seats, and then you got the whole front and everything. Cool. Another Bayliner. 60 Mercury engine. Cool. Okay, Cypress K. Cypress K. Never heard of it. Huh. Okay. Whew. Almost as much for the motor as it is for the boat.
All right. Thank you very much, guys. Have a nice day.
Cool. Cypress K. Bass 18 Buggy.
I didn't think it was a joke either. Not for real. It kind of did. Hi, how you doing?
Good. Just looking around.
What are you looking around for?
Just looking to see how beautiful they all are. Wow. Okay, boat show price $26,995. Okay. Wow. Really nice. Like this one. Ha! There's a sun tracker. Wow, that's a beauty. Wow. Right. Hope you've enjoyed my bringing this to you.
Slow.